Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Eruption Times. Today I will show you how to create a directly traffic generate any site. Now I am going to my browser and log in my Gmail account. It's a female name Gmail account. And now I am setting something. Click settings and all setting. Now I am scroll down and down arrow right here in a subject. When I'm complete this task, this body, then look at this, submit, subject and message and start day today, and it's optional, that's why I am not select this. If you have select this option, then this day your campaign is stopped. Now I'm click save change. Look at this, when I am click save change, then you show that. When you click in now, then this settings is going to end. Now I am using my email address, that's why I am copy my email and write a notebook. Write a notepad. Now I'm right here. Write this. Add my email and copy this. Now I am going to again my browser and open a new tab, such as now I am show which site is make a direct traffic, and show the site is direct traffic. Select the site. Now select your username. Now I am selecting here Kim. Check. And select country and select as already select as 25 and select female. And select and not robot and click login. Look at this, it's a lot of running people. It's female. Now select male, then it's a lot of male. If you select a international offer, then you select person and all person will send your email address. When the guys reply your email, then automatically respond your email and send this types of email. Now I am select and right here and send. Again I am select another and right here and send and continue and working this side in a day lot of times, because this member is always available, a lot of members in this site, and easily daily you earn a lot of USD in this sites. Using the sites When you provide your email, then the guys reply your email. And which person click your link, and the person are directly convert your offer, and then you collect your earning. Look at this. It's always all people are available in live. A lot of country people in here, selected some people, some countries, a lot of people in this here. And all over the people, a lot of people are message me. Look at this. Look at this. A lot of people are message. That's why I say work this place and use these sites, then you get a lot of conversion in a day. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video and if you need these types of video, then comment please, and if you are new, then subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video.